Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Hello. Today we're going to study the module business and industry analysis of Financial Analyst. Analyzing the industry landscape. In today's fast-paced business environment, it's essential to have a clear understanding of the industry landscape in which your company operates. Analyzing the industry landscape can help you identify potential opportunities, threats, and trends that may impact your business. Key factors to consider when analyzing the industry landscape include market size, growth rate, competition, regulatory environment, and technological advancements. By taking these factors into account, you can gain insights into the competitive dynamics of the industry and make informed, strategic decisions. The industry landscape refers to the overall structure and dynamics of a particular industry or sector. It involves analyzing various factors such as market size, key players, market trends, competition, regulations, and technological advancements. Here's a brief overview of how to analyze the industry landscape, market size, and growth. Determine the current size of the industry and its projected growth rate. Consider factors such as population growth, consumer demand, and economic conditions to understand the potential market opportunities. Key players. Identify the major companies or organizations operating in the industry. Analyze their market share, financial performance, competitive advantages, and strategic positioning. This information helps in understanding the dominant players and their influence on the industry. Market trends. Identify and analyze the prevailing trends in the industry. This includes technological advancements, changing consumer preferences, emerging markets, and disruptive innovations. Stay updated on the latest developments and assess how they might impact the industry landscape. Competitive analysis. Evaluate the competitive dynamics within the industry. Identify direct and indirect competitors, their strengths and weaknesses, and their strategies. Understand the barriers to entry and the potential for new entrants or substitutes. Regulatory environment. Assess the regulatory framework governing the industry. Understand the laws, policies, and standards that impact the industry's operations. Identify any upcoming regulatory changes or potential challenges that could affect the industry landscape. By analyzing these aspects of the industry landscape, you can gain insights into the current state, future prospects, and potential challenges within the industry. This analysis serves as a foundation for strategic decision-making, market entry strategies, and identifying opportunities for growth and innovation. SWOT analysis and competitive advantage. A SWOT analysis is a strategic tool that can help businesses identify their strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. By conducting a SWOT analysis, businesses can gain a better understanding of their internal and external factors that can affect their success in the market. One of the key benefits of conducting a SWOT analysis is that it can help businesses identify their competitive advantages. By analyzing their strengths and opportunities, businesses can determine what sets them apart from their competitors and leverage those advantages to gain a foothold in the market. For example, a company may have a strong brand reputation or unique product features that give them an edge over their competitors. A SWOT analysis is a strategic planning tool used to evaluate the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of a business or organization. It helps assess the internal and external factors that can impact its success. Here's a brief explanation of SWOT analysis and its relationship to competitive advantage. Strengths. These are the internal factors that give a business an advantage over its competitors. They can include a strong brand reputation, skilled workforce, proprietary technology, efficient processes, or unique products and services. Identifying and leveraging strengths can contribute to a competitive advantage. Weaknesses, these are internal factors that hinder a business's performance and put it at a disadvantage compared to competitors. Weaknesses can include outdated technology, poor customer service, limited resources, or lack of expertise. Recognizing weaknesses is crucial for improvement and mitigating potential threats. Opportunities, these are external factors that have the potential to benefit a business. Opportunities can arise from market trends, emerging technologies, changes in consumer behavior, or new market segments. Identifying and capitalizing on opportunities can create a competitive advantage and drive growth. Threats, these are external factors that can negatively impact a business's performance. Threats can come from competition, changing regulations, economic downturns, or shifts in customer preferences. Understanding threats helps businesses develop strategies to minimize their impact and maintain a competitive edge. Competitive advantage. A competitive advantage is a unique set of qualities or capabilities that allows a business to outperform its competitors. It is gained by leveraging strengths, capitalizing on opportunities, and effectively managing weaknesses and threats. Competitive advantage can be achieved through various means, such as cost leadership, offering products, services at a lower cost, differentiation, providing unique and valued offerings, or focus, targeting a specific market segment. SWOT analysis is a valuable tool for identifying and understanding a business's competitive advantage. By recognizing internal strengths and weaknesses, businesses can capitalize on their strengths and work on improving areas of weakness. Additionally, identifying external opportunities and threats helps businesses align their strategies to leverage opportunities and minimize the impact of threats, thus maintaining their competitive edge in the market. Analyzing business models and revenue streams. Analyzing business models and revenue streams is essential for understanding how a company generates value and earns revenue. Here's a brief overview of these concepts. Business model. A business model is a framework that outlines how a company creates, delivers, and captures value. It describes the core components of a company's operations and how it interacts with customers, partners, and stakeholders. Analyzing a business model involves understanding the following elements. Value proposition. Identify the unique value that the company offers to its customers. This could be through innovative products, exceptional customer service, convenience, cost savings, or other factors. Customer segments determine the target customers for the company's products or services. Analyze their characteristics, needs, preferences, and behavior too. Understand how the company caters to their demands. Channels. Assess the distribution channels through which the company reaches its customers. This includes physical stores, e-commerce platforms, direct sales, partnerships, or any other means of delivering the products or services. Key activities and resources. Identify the core activities and resources required to operate the business. This includes production, manufacturing, technology infrastructure, intellectual property, human resources, and other essential components, partnerships, and key stakeholders. Analyze the strategic partnerships and relationships the company has established. This includes suppliers, distributors, contractors, or any other entities that contribute to the company's value chain. Revenue streams. Revenue streams are the various sources from which a company generates income. Analyzing revenue streams involves understanding the following aspects. Pricing strategy. Assess the company's pricing strategy for its products or services. This includes determining the pricing model, e.g., one-time sales, subscription base, freemium, pricing tiers, discounts, and any other factors that influence the revenue generated per customer. Revenue sources identify the different sources from which the company generates revenue. This could include product sales, service fees, licensing or royalty fees, advertising revenue, subscription fees, or any other income streams. Revenue mix analyze the contribution of each revenue source to the overall revenue generated by the company. Understand the significance of each revenue stream and its growth potential. Cost structure assess the costs associated with generating revenue. This includes production costs, operational expenses, marketing and sales costs, distribution costs, and any other expenses incurred by the company. By analyzing the business model and revenue streams, you can gain insights into how a company creates value, delivers its offerings to customers, and earns revenue. This analysis helps in evaluating the viability and sustainability of the business, identifying opportunities for growth and innovation, and making strategic decisions to optimize revenue generation and profitability. Conducting due diligence on potential investments. Conducting due diligence on potential investments is a critical process that helps investors gather relevant information and assess the risks and potential returns associated with an investment opportunity. Here's a brief overview of the key steps involved in conducting due diligence. Background research. Start by gathering basic information about the investment opportunity. This includes researching the company or project, its industry, market trends, and competitive landscape. Obtain financial statements, business plans, and any available documentation that provides insights into the investments. Fundamentals. Financial analysis. Perform a thorough analysis of the financials to evaluate the investments. Financial health and performance. Assess factors such as revenue growth, profitability, cash flow, debt levels, and key financial ratios. This analysis helps in understanding the investment's financial stability and potential for returns. Management team evaluation. Assess the management team's qualifications, experience, and track record. Evaluate their ability to execute the business plan and drive the investments. Success. Look for a strong management team with relevant industry expertise and a proven ability to deliver results. Market analysis. Analyze the target market and industry dynamics. Understand the market size, growth potential, competitive landscape, and any regulatory or environmental factors that may impact the investment. Assess the investment's positioning within the market and its ability to capture market. Share legal and regulatory review. Conduct a comprehensive review of legal and regulatory compliance. Identify any potential legal risks, ongoing litigation, intellectual property issues, or regulatory hurdles that may affect the investment. Consult with legal experts to ensure compliance with applicable laws and regulations. Risk assessment. Identify and evaluate the risks associated with the investment. This includes assessing operational risks, market risks, financial risks, and any specific risks related to the industry or project. Understand the potential downside risks and develop risk mitigation strategies. Valuation and investment terms. Determine the appropriate valuation for the investment and assess the investment terms. This involves considering factors such as the company's intrinsic value, comparable transactions, market multiples, and negotiation of favorable terms that align with your investment objectives. Due diligence documentation. Maintain organized documentation throughout the due diligence process. This includes financial statements, legal contracts, market research, management interviews, and any other relevant information. Proper documentation ensures transparency, facilitates decision-making, and mitigates potential future disputes. Professional expertise. Seek the assistance of professionals such as accountants, lawyers, or industry experts to conduct specialized due diligence in areas outside your expertise. Their insights and expertise can provide valuable perspectives and help uncover hidden risks or opportunities. Risk-reward analysis. Based on the findings from the due diligence process, conduct a comprehensive risk-reward analysis. Assess the potential returns against the identified risks to determine whether the investment aligns with your risk tolerance and investment objectives. By following these steps, you can conduct thorough due diligence on potential investments, enabling you to make informed investment decisions and mitigate risks. Remember that due diligence is an iterative process, and it's crucial to continually reassess and update your analysis as new information becomes available. Putting it all together to summarize, analyzing the industry landscape is a crucial step in making informed business decisions. Porter's 5 forces can be used to assess industry competition, while conducting a SWOT analysis can help identify competitive advantages. Additionally, analyzing business models and revenue streams is important for understanding a company's financial health. Finally, when evaluating potential investments, due diligence is key. To apply these concepts, it is important to gather data from reliable sources and use analytical tools to make sense of the information. It is also important to consider the broader economic and political context in which a company operates. By taking a strategic and thoughtful approach to industry analysis, businesses can position themselves for success in a rapidly changing marketplace.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.